solve this kind of equation, we must first of all know the general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. A and B are the coordinates of the center of the circle, whereas R is the radius of the circle. So what you're going to do is we're going to simplify this equation into this format so that we can be able to easily identify the center and the radius of this circle. Now we need to rewrite this equation, x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 10y, but we take 30 to the other side. We have got two portions of quadratic expressions which are incomplete. So what you're going to do is we complete the square, and this is how we do it. So this will be x squared minus 6x. To complete this, we are going to add the coefficient of x, we divide by 2 and then square it. And we also do the same to this one. Now this one will also be y squared minus 10y plus negative 10 over 2 squared. This will equal to negative 30. Whatever we do to this side, we must do also to the other side, plus negative 6 over 2 squared, and then plus also negative 10 over 2 squared. Now we can simplify our equation. So this will be x squared minus 6x plus 9. Then this one will also be y squared minus 10y plus 25. And then on the other side, we'll have negative 30 plus 34, because this is 9 plus. Now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify these two expressions, which are now complete, and use factor method to simplify it. So when you factorize this, we get x minus 3 squared plus y, this one also be y minus 5 squared. This will equal to, finally, you can notice that our new equation is similar to the standard equation of a circle. So we can be able to find our a, which is 3, and our b is 5. And our radius, this is r squared, equals to 4. Finding square root on both sides, r will be 2 units. And the center of the circle is 3